Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Think Big Digital. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to check TikTok eligibility to monetize your account. So without any overdue, let's dive right into the video. For that, we are going to open the TikTok app. Maybe she's And from here on, we are going to switch to our profile and select the three dashes in the upper right corner of the screen and select TikTok Studio. From here on, what you can do is basically there's an option called monetization. So if you select view all, it will basically show you the programs that the programs for you. So you're going to select view all. So there are only 3 programs that they have for me right now. So if you go to service, this is showing that I am eligible to use this program, but then again I don't have the option called live because I'm not eligible for having the live feature, as I don't have enough followers to use the live feature. So that's why I cannot use this one. I'm not eligible to use this one. If you go to video gifts, you can see basically that I have ticked 4 of the steps to get this feature, but I have to have 10,000 followers at least to be able to enable this feature. So I don't have that, so I'm not eligible for it. If I get a subscription, then basically it's not available to me because it's not available. So what you can do is click on get notified when I'm eligible, select all programs, and they will basically send you notifications when you are eligible to get these programs. Also, there's another way you can actually check them is by going to balance and then go to monetization. The same thing here. Yeah, it's actually the same thing. So that's how you actually check TikTok eligibility to monetize. So this is it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of us on your For You page, you can subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries regarding this topic, you can comment down below and we will be very glad to help you guys. And that's it for today. We will see you in the next video.